Hi and welcome to this video where we're going to talk about some of the issues people have with the indicator, setting it up and how to use it. I've done a training video on the strategy and more in depth. This is going to cover the most commonly asked questions. So you can see the pairs here match my market watch, how they are presented. If your dashboard displays blank, it's probably because you have a suffix after your pairs, like .m, .a or something like that. If you have, then you just right click and go into the settings, right click and go into the settings, indicate a list, then go into the settings, and then you can change the pairs to suit, like put a .m after each pair, and then they will show as per your broker. So that's one of the most common things we get when the dashboard doesn't display on people's charts. Always make sure that you start without a dash and end without a dash, but each pair must be separated by a dash. If you make a mistake, you can just press reset. The settings are set at default and you shouldn't really need to change anything anyway. If you find that the chart is bleeding through the dash, then right click and properties, then go to chart and foreground and uncheck that, and that will get rid of that and put the dash behind. If you minimize the dash, it will load back up pretty quick too. Some people said that the stop hunt wasn't working. This has been addressed and is now fixed. As you can see, the daily ranges are also fixed. So from left to right, let's go through what they are. Minimize, maximize, symbol changer, peak formation high or low. Please see the strategy video about that. Zero peak formation high is the number of days, and if we're in peak formation high or peak formation low, basically. So let's go to one here. So we're in one peak formation high, which means it's been 1 day since the peak formation high. Currently the second day of that, because zero peak formation high is the same day. So yeah, this is first day, this is the second day, about to finish that. Fresher peaks are lighter, brighter colours, and they get darker as they get older. For example, 5 peak formation high is this dark colour here. 1 peak formation high and 2 peak formation high are our prime ones that we look for. Next up we have status, which is the furthest it's been away from the peak, 1.83 ADR to here, and then currently at 1.31 ADR, sorry, 1.11 ADR. Then we have daily ADR and pips, 82.6. Then we have 69.2 is our current daily range. When the daily range has been exceeded, it's highlighted to indicate that we may have an end of day reversal or not to take a trade. And then we have the RSI here. Then obviously we have the RSI here, 54.3, 13 period RSI. And we can see that we're at that now. So this can help us see if we're overbought or oversold. Basic version of the Traders Dynamic Index programmed in. So obviously when we're overbought, we're up the top, and when we're oversold, we're down low and looking for a reversal. So below 30 and above 70, you might want to consider thinking about exiting or entering the other way with confirmation. that's basically it for this dash. It's a really nice indicator, and yeah, it should help you a lot. So the other thing as well is if you want to download the software, you're going to have to make sure you're signed into your chart. You sign in under Tools and Options, Community, sign in under your credentials, and then when you go to your terminal, you'll be able to look at your purchased indicators and press install. So here's terminal, which is under here, here, and then you can go to market, and then your purchased indicators are here. You'll see what the ones that you've purchased, and then you can hit download. I'm not showing you what I've got, but yeah, you'll get the idea. And then install on terminal. That is as simple as that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you get some great value out of the indicator. Please leave a positive review, or DM me if you have any issues before doing that. Thank you so much, and I'm very grateful for your support.